What's going on, y'all? Chris with No Limit Squad, your personal Isochain and fitness vlogging channel. Today we're gonna go over the tricep kickback, one of my favorites in the gym, and a little bit of an odd one to set up on the Isochain, but I'm gonna show y'all anyway. Let's get into it. So the first thing you wanna do, make sure your chain link is set. You want it right around the hips here. Once you turn on the unit, you want to stand in front of the bar. You want your feet shoulder width apart, your feet near the edge of the base plate, not over it like this, just right here. Now what you want to do is you want to have a slight bend forward. So instead of being completely straight like this, slight bend forward, keeping a neutral spine. So it's not a rounded back like this, it's neutral spine. You want your palms facing back and up towards the ceiling, and then you want to pull the bar towards the ceiling while keeping your palms up. So I'm gonna do a contraction for you. And if you have this set up exactly how I just explained it, you're gonna feel it in your tricep, which I just did. So make sure that those three things again are in place. The feet shoulder width apart near the edge of the base plate, like this. Hips bent so that you're leaning slightly forward like this. Your chin is up, bars behind you, palms facing the ceiling, like this. And trying to pull the bar up, like that, while keeping neutral spine. So if you see my neutral spine here, completely aligned, not rounded back, pulling like that. Not like this either. Neutral spine, pulling. Also, I didn't really explain, but my knees were slightly bent, so always make sure that your knees are a little bent, just for safety, and you're pulling. Also for breathing, make sure you're exhaling during the movement. Exhale during all of these movements. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe for more videos like these. Hit that notification bell for more. Come join the squad. We'll see you next week. Peace.